5 quick gardening tips to save you money. It is easy to spend a lot of money every year on a gorgeous yard. These 5 tips will help you save money for both the current and future gardening seasons. 1. So you can enjoy your vegetables as soon as they are ready. Plan your vegetable garden according what your neighbors are planting. Sometimes I had too many vegetables to share with my friends because they were all ripe. 2. For your flower beds, choose perennials over annuals. You can cut them down and share your beautiful gardens with friends as they grow each year. 3. You can also compost your coffee grounds and kitchen scraps. This is a better option than any potting soil that you can buy at a hardware or nursery store. This is recycling at a great price. 4. Pebbles and small rocks can be used as ground cover in gardens instead of mulch. This will help you save a lot of money since you won't have to purchase mulch every year in spring and autumn. 5. You will save money in the long term if you spend more now on better gardening tools. You won't have to buy new tools every year, so they will last years. The same goes for gardening gloves. Make sure to get the best quality you can afford to last season. Take these tips and go make a great garden. Check out the description for more.